Kasi pinaghirapan din namin dito, Sir Gawin, baka kopyahin lang din ng minority. I would not like to discuss the defense strategy, particularly because the prosecutors will come from the House of Representatives. Magpinsan po ba si Congressman ko ngayon tsaka si Zaldi ko? Chair, I suggest that the Congressman ask this during the hearing of the Commission on Audit. This is a status of documents inside the office of the Commission on Audit. So it has to be the Commission on Audit who will answer what is happening to this notice of disallowance. Chair, this is the subject of an impeachment trial, and I would not like to discuss the defense for the impeachment trial. No public funds were used for all my travels. I did not charge representation. I did not charge tickets. I did not charge per dime for all my travels in the Office of the Vice President. So the Office of the Vice President from 2022, 2023, and 2024 received unmodified opinions from the Commission on Audit. Wala po silang nakitang nawawala. Nawawala po yung papel.
Kano po ang nagugol sa pagtakip at pagpapadala sa ating dating Pangulo mula dito sa Pilipinas papuntang The Hague?
Hindi ko ho kayang sagutin yan. Unang-una, sa nangyaring yan, aking pong contact dito ay through telephone. Ako po ay nasa Vienna noong panahon na yon. At ang aming pong pakay noon ay pumunta sa United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime. Kaya nasa Vienna po ako noong panahon na yon. Kaya hindi ko ho nakita yung dami ng pulis. Hindi ko ho subaybayan yung mga resources po na ginamit upang madala po yung dating Pangulo sa The Hague. Pero ngunit masasabi ko, wala hong nasaktan, wala hong nabawian ng buhay, at maayos po siyang nakarating sa Hague nang wala hong incident. Kaya kahit paano, pasalamat po tayo na hindi na po, wala na hong na-disgrasya sa pagkakataong iyon.
Opo, so sino pong nag-order na dalhin po siya doon kung kayo po ay nasa ibang bansa?
Ano ho yan?